When we gaze into the cosmos, it's natural to wonder if we are truly alone. One of the most intriguing possibilities for extraterrestrial life exists just 4.2 light-years away on a planet called Proxima b. This exoplanet, orbiting the star Proxima Centauri in the Alpha Centauri system, lies in what we call the habitable zone. This region is where temperatures could allow for liquid water, one of the key ingredients for life as we know it. But what if, instead of merely microbial life, there was a thriving, intelligent alien civilization on Proxima b? First, let's explore what we know about Proxima b and its environment. Discovered in 2016, Proxima b has captivated the imaginations of astronomers and scientists because of its potential to host life. The planet is roughly 1.17 times the mass of Earth, making it a rocky planet with a surface that might resemble our own. Proxima b orbits very close to its star, completing one full revolution in just 11 Earth days. While this proximity to Proxima Centauri suggests that the planet is tidally locked, meaning one side always faces the star while the other remains in perpetual darkness, it doesn't rule out the possibility of life. In fact, this unique environment could foster life forms far different from anything we've encountered. To consider the potential for an alien civilization, we must first understand the challenges Proxima b poses. Being so close to its star, the planet is bombarded by intense solar radiation, far more than what we experience on Earth. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf known for emitting powerful stellar flares that can strip away atmospheres and expose the surface to harmful radiation. If life has evolved on Proxima b, it would have had to develop ways to adapt to, or even thrive in, such a harsh environment. Perhaps the aliens on Proxima b would have evolved with natural defenses against radiation. Imagine a civilization whose biology has incorporated advanced shielding mechanisms at the cellular level, much like certain extremophiles on Earth that thrive in extreme environments. These creatures might have tough, durable exoskeletons or skin that can withstand intense ultraviolet radiation. Their respiratory systems could be highly efficient, requiring minimal oxygen, or they might even have developed a way to extract energy directly from the radiation around them, like plants use photosynthesis on Earth. This would give them an incredible advantage, allowing them to harness the power of their volatile sun for survival. Now, let's take this a step further. If these aliens have evolved technology, they would likely have developed sophisticated methods to mitigate the environmental challenges of their planet. They might live underground, where thick layers of rock shield them from the constant bombardment of stellar flares. Imagine vast underground cities, illuminated by bioluminescent organisms or artificial light sources powered by geothermal energy. These cities could be marvels of engineering, with architecture built to withstand seismic activity caused by Proxima b's unique tidal forces. Their technology could also be far more advanced than anything we have. After all, living in such an extreme environment might force a civilization to innovate at a rapid pace. Perhaps they've harnessed the power of fusion or developed energy sources that allow them to thrive even in conditions where solar energy is unreliable. Their understanding of physics could surpass our own, enabling them to manipulate matter and energy in ways we can only dream of. Could they have unlocked the secrets of faster-than-light travel, allowing them to explore other star systems? It's not outside the realm of possibility. If a civilization exists on Proxima b, what would their society look like? Given the challenging environment, it's likely that they would have developed a highly cooperative social structure. Survival in such harsh conditions would depend on working together to ensure the safety and success of the entire group. Their political systems could be centered around collective decision-making, where technology plays a key role in managing resources and maintaining stability. Artificial intelligence might be deeply integrated into their daily lives, controlling infrastructure, regulating their environment, and even enhancing their biological capabilities. But what about communication? If an alien civilization is advanced enough, they may have developed ways to communicate beyond the electromagnetic spectrum using forms of transmission we haven't yet discovered. They might have built massive arrays to send signals into the cosmos, attempting to make contact with other intelligent life. Or perhaps they use quantum communication, instantly sending information across vast distances without being limited by the speed of light. If we managed to intercept a signal from them, how would we even begin to interpret it? Their language, culture, and modes of thinking could be so alien to us that deciphering their message might take decades or even centuries. Now, let's imagine what first contact with such a civilization might look like. Suppose we send a mission to Proxima b, or perhaps we receive a signal from them first. What would that mean for humanity? The discovery of intelligent alien life would undoubtedly be the most significant event in human history. It would challenge everything we know about our place in the universe, forcing us to reevaluate our philosophies, religions, and scientific principles. The realization that we are not alone would trigger a global conversation about how to engage with this new civilization. Would they be friendly, or would they see us as a threat? The history of contact between civilizations on Earth has often been fraught with conflict, particularly when one civilization is technologically superior to the other. If the aliens on Proxima b are more advanced, they may view us as primitive or inconsequential. Alternatively, they might be curious about us, seeking to learn from our culture, technology, and biology. The key question would be whether we could establish communication and understanding before fear or mistrust leads to conflict. The implications for humanity would be profound. If we could communicate and collaborate with an alien civilization, the exchange of knowledge and technology could propel us into a new era of advancement. Imagine the medical breakthroughs, energy technologies, and insights into the universe that we could gain from such an interaction. However, the reverse is also true. We could inadvertently introduce them to dangers such as disease or vice versa. The ethical considerations of contact with an alien civilization would be staggering. Finally, the discovery of a civilization on Proxima b would raise fundamental questions about the prevalence of life in the universe. If intelligent life exists just 4 light years away, it suggests that life may be far more common than we ever imagined. This would have enormous implications for the search for extraterrestrial life, guiding future missions to other star systems and exoplanets. We would no longer be searching for the faintest signs of microbial life. We would be looking for societies, technologies, and cultures across the galaxy. In conclusion, the idea of an alien civilization on Proxima b is more than just science fiction. It's a possibility grounded in what we know about the universe, and it invites us to consider our place in the cosmos. Whether we ever find evidence of life on Proxima b or elsewhere, the very thought challenges us to look beyond our own world and imagine the possibilities that await us among the stars.